I'm going to show the rifle clear and also clear. And there she is. This is the Black Rain Ordnance SPEC-15 A2 rifle. There's actually a few YouTube guys that have a review of the Black Rain Ordnance SPEC-15 A2 rifle. However, I haven't seen any with the A2 front sight on YouTube. This particular rifle, I want it to serve as it will be the proverbial poo hits the turbine rifle. Something that's rugged. This isn't something that, just own just to take to the range and have fun. This is not that rifle. I spent about almost 3 years getting to this point where I wanted a rifle with a original A2 front sight post, and with the factory installed A2 front sight post where it's hot pinned. I believe they hot pin these in and rivet each and or smash each end to set it. And these pins, there's 2 channels excavated or displaced of material from the barrel itself. So you have 2 channels across there, and then you install this, and these pins go through those channels, and this thing isn't moving. It's not going anywhere, and that's how it should be. I have another rifle here. Now, 3 years ago, I bought this rifle, and I didn't know what the hell I was doing. It was my first AR. This is back in 2018, and this came with the longer key mod with a gas block and flip up sights. But I wanted to go more of the M4 style with a 16-inch barrel, 7-inch carbine length handguard on this. Like I said, on this particular rifle of what this rifle is going to serve. Now this one here, I really wanted the A2 front sight. Didn't know what the hell I was doing. Friend of mine wound up with one of these, and he installed it, and I wasn't satisfied with its stability. Went down to the gun shop, local gun shop. He said he didn't know how to install it. He didn't have the right tools to install these himself, because I was under the impression that, you could just go home to your home shop and install an A2 front sight the way it's supposed to be, but I was very wrong. There is a guy on YouTube who does it in his own home shop, and I watched it, and I said, yeah, I'm going to spend the $250 and get the barrel with a factory set A2 front sight. So this one here, I just want to point out real quick that this one comes with 5 set screws. This is kind of a bolt-on A2 front sight post style, but it's not a true A2 front sight post, as it's removable, easily removable. There's 1 set screw at the bottom that goes upward, vertical. You have to drill a flat spot into the barrel for that set screw, or else you're not really going to be tied down too well. You're not anyway. And then there's 4 set screws, both going lateral, headed towards each other. 2 on the side, 2 on the other side. And I later found out this is just something I would never do again. I don't know if I could recommend it. James Yeager said if you're going to use these, to use rock set instead of thread lock. I have thread lock in here right now. I never did get around to ordering a rock set. If you're going to do this, but me personally, I wouldn't recommend this. If you want a rifle that's going to be rugged, that's the poo hits the turbine rifle, and you like these, if you like these kind of sights, and that's all I got it for, was just the ruggedness. I'm going to get this thing broken in and then move all the furniture over. move in to my new pad. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick review. I haven't shot it yet. I might do a follow-up review. All I've heard from Black Rain was positive. From what I understand, they're good rifles, and I got really lucky. There was a couple left at Shields, and I almost gave up looking for these, especially right now, with that A2 front sight. And I just happened to find this on Shields' website, and there was a couple. There was like he said there was 7 in stock, and I had another guy in front of me buying the same exact rifle. So and the dude at Shields said, he goes, if you want something now, you better get it. You know, today is January 15th, 2021. And the gun guy at Shields said, if you want something in here in this department, buy it today. It's probably going to be gone tomorrow. So I feel like I got really lucky with this. It was I think I was out the door with 6. No, I'm sorry. I can't even remember what I paid for this thing. I think it was $7.99 retail. It's on the Shields website. It's $7.99 retail, and then $8.50 out the door. A couple of YouTube guys did point out about Black Rain Ordnance that they're light rifles. They're light for an AR-15, and that is accurate. This thing is, I'm not exactly a big muscular guy, but I'm straight arming it right now. And by now, with that thing, by now my arm would be getting tired, and I'm still going. So it's a very light rifle. Even with a full mag in it, I could still sit here and straight arm it. So that's one thing I noticed when I picked it up for the first time is it is a very, very light AR-15. She's a beauty. She's gorgeous. This is completely stock except for the flip-up rear sight. There's no rear sight. So it comes ready to rock, man. Put on all your favorite goodies. It's got a pretty cool emblem on the, if I can get this thing to focus. It's got a black BCG, which I didn't have on this guy. So I think that's kind of cool. It's all anodized, flat black. Got the emblem there, let it rain. Emblem on the outside of the door. There's another emblem on the bottom of the barrel. And the charging handle, kind of cool. Looking all race team. And what else is there? Yeah, this is completely bone stock. It comes with this little handle. I'm going to change the handle. It's a little small, skinny for my long fingers and hands. Let's see. Even I don't know if that's always, but that was pretty cool. Actually, it's one of the first sling loops that's actually got some kind of rubber coating on it, and that's really cool. It's very quiet. I believe that is it. And if you're wondering, this actually is a guitar stand with a mag Gorilla tape to it, and it's just an instant guitar stand. It could actually still be used to hold a guitar. Right now it's holding 2 rifles. That is the Black Rain Ordnance SPEC-15 A2 rifle.